Castor oil and coffee grounds can help deter moles and voles when used correctly, but they are not a guaranteed fix by themselves. Castor oil works by making soil unpleasant to burrowing mammals, so use a castor oil-based granular repellent and apply it exactly as the label directs, typically by spreading evenly over the affected area and watering it in to move the active ingredient into the root zone. Follow reapplication intervals after heavy rain. Coffee grounds are abrasive and can change soil odor, but fresh grounds alone are inconsistent as a repellent, so compost them or mix small amounts into topsoil rather than relying on them as a primary control. For active tunnels, combine repellents with trapping by setting mole traps in straight sections of runway after collapsing a stretch to force repair behavior. For voles, use either snap traps placed along runways and near feeding sites or live traps checked daily. Reduce grub populations to remove a major food source for moles by treating turf with biological controls like beneficial nematodes in late summer or applying approved grub insecticide products according to label timing and rates. Improve lawn drainage and reduce thatch to make the environment less attractive and to help repellents penetrate. Dethatch with a rake or machine when the lawn is dormant and aerate compacted areas to enhance soil movement. For long-term exclusion, consider installing hardware cloth or galvanized sheet metal barriers buried at least 12 inches deep around flower beds and vegetable patches, and maintain a 3-inch concrete or gravel band at the top to prevent burrowing around edges. Homeowners often expect immediate disappearance after one treatment, but repellents usually need repeated applications and complementary tactics, so set realistic timelines and monitor tunnel activity daily. Another common mistake is using coffee grounds as the sole method, which can alter soil chemistry if over-applied. Instead, use grounds sparingly and focus on proven castor formulations plus cultural controls. People forget that if tunnels are active, you need to remove the animals with traps or professional help because repellents displace rather than eliminate foraging when food is abundant. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and resources for projects like installing underground barriers or professional mole and vole control, and we also help contractors find work by listing opportunities and posting project leads. We host a discussion community where users and pros exchange field tips, product experiences, and step-by-step approaches for mole-vole repellent strategies.